Hello students, welcome back to your geography class. We've been doing a lot of map work recently, and so I thought it was the perfect time to do a little map work revision. For map work revision, you will require all the things that you require while doing map work. You will require a black ballpoint pen, you will require color pencils, you will require your atlas. Yes, I will let you all do the revision work with an atlas, but you will keep the atlas closed. You will only use it when you are stuck. You will make all the labels with wide use of arrows, and you will write in horizontal, in block capital letters only. Yes? All right. So I'm giving you all 2 minutes to go and gather your things. Okay, get your pencils, get your pen. Okay, get your ruler and get your atlas, but keep it aside. Open it only when you have a question or you are stuck. I would like if you do this revision or this classwork, taking it like an evaluation, like testing yourself or marking your progress. Yes? All right, let's start. If you all have still not got everything, please pause the video here because I don't want you all to get confused. Okay, let's go. Firstly, I want you to mark all the states that pass through Tropic of Cancer. You are not going to mark Tropic of Cancer. You are only going to mark all the states that Tropic of Cancer passes through. Mark all of them in the same color. Label them also in capital letters. So mark all the states that Tropic of Cancer passes through. I'm going to wait till you finish this. I hope you all are doing it. You all can do it. We've discussed this. We have done this before. And it's absolutely fine if you go wrong. Failure is the stepping stone to success. You make a mistake today, you have an opportunity to learn and then learn it so well so that you can reflect it in the assessment. Don't worry if you go wrong. Have you been marking? Have you finished marking all the states? Okay, we'll wait for half a minute more. All right. These are the states that Tropic of Cancer passes through. No, you did not have to mark Tropic of Cancer. Okay, there are how many states? 8 states in all. Tropic of Cancer passes through Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. Yes? All these are the states that Tropic of Cancer passes through. If you have missed any, please mark it. If you have marked an extra one, put a small dot or erase it so that you realize you've done a mistake, only for yourself. Yes? Okay, next question. Mark the standard meridian of India. You're going to draw this line, dotted line, or a straight line. I think straight line. Yeah, don't do it dotted. Do a straight line. Mark the standard meridian of India on the political map of India? Come on. I'm waiting for a little more while. Please finish it and don't worry if you go wrong. And don't cheat and see from the atlas. Like I've told you, you will need the atlas, but a little later. Okay. Can you see the standard meridian of India? It's the dotted line on this map. It is at 82 degrees, 30 minutes. Yes? Have you all been able to correctly do it? Then give yourself a pat on the back. Okay, let's go on ahead to the next one. I think this is where you might require your atlas. Mark all the union territories of India. Do you all know how many union territories do we have? We have 8 union territories. Recently, not very recently, but recently, that is this year, 2 union territories have been combined to make 1. Okay? So now we have 8 union territories. So mark all the 8 union territories on the given map of India. Okay? You're doing all this on the same map. This is a practice map. Mark all the union territories on the given map of India and avoid using atlas as long as you can. But if you really require it and you are completely clueless, then use it. But if you have a little hint of where the union territory is, go ahead and check your knowledge. Go ahead and plot it on the map, and then when I show you the slide, you can check if your answer is right or wrong, and don't open the atlas. Open the atlas only if you have absolutely no clue. Yes, then open the atlas and have a look. Okay. I'm going to wait till you're marking it. Have you all finished it? Have you all been able to mark all the 8 union territories? Let's see. The 8 union territories of India. Have you all marked all of them? Okay, I'm going to read them out. Let me know if you have been able to mark them. First one is Jammu and Kashmir. In that we have Ladakh, and then you have Jammu and Kashmir, both of them, 2 over there. Then you have Chandigarh, number 3. Then you have New Delhi, that is the National Capital Territory of Delhi. So number 4. Then we have Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Both of them have recently become combined and they are 1 union territory in all. So that's a number 5. Number 6 will be the Andaman and the Nicobar Islands. Number 7 will be the Lakshadweep Islands. And number 8 will be Puducherry. Have you been able to mark all these 8? Fine, then go treat yourself with a little chocolate. If you don't have it, you can eat a little sugar. Yes? Okay, let's move further because now the task is bigger. Now we are going to mark all the states and their capitals. You have already marked the states for the Tropic of Cancer, so just mark their capitals over there. And the rest of the states you will fill up. How many states do we have? I want you all to comment on this video the answer. That's the only homework for today. Comment the answer on this video. Okay? And this math work, if you have finished, and if you want to share with me, please feel free to send it across. I would love to see my kids doing the work that I tell. I love all the feedback, all the drawings you all have done in the past, all the maps you have done, everything that we have done, art integration, drawings, send them to me. I would love to see them. So you're marking all the states with their capitals. Right now, you're going to open your atlas for this. I'm sure you will require it, but I would be more than happy to know you all don't require it. At least you can name all the states without maybe the location of the capital you may want to see. But at least the names of the states and the capitals, I think you should know all of them by now. So I want you all to pause this video and do that work because it's 28 states and 28 capitals. I'm not going to be able to wait for that long. So I want you all to pause the video and complete the work because right now in 30 seconds, I'm going to change the slide and you will have the answer. Okay, for all those who do not have an atlas, I will show you all the answers here. So these are all the 28 states, all the union territories. Standard Meridian is missing. That's one thing that you must also have. All the capitals are also here. You can pause the screen, you can take a screenshot, and you can do your marking. Okay? So that's all for today. One small revision map work for you all, just to refresh your memories. So now stay home, stay safe, take care, and keep learning. Thank you.